TechVibe presents one of the most anticipated camera launches in history. If you're passionate about image quality, insane performance, and future-proof features, stay with me because today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Nikon Z8 II, the mirrorless powerhouse that could completely change the game for photographers and filmmakers alike. This isn't just another rumor video. We're talking leaked specs, insider whispers, and what this camera could really mean for professionals, hybrid shooters, and serious hobbyists around the world. Imagine holding a camera in your hands that has the DNA of a flagship, yet refined to deliver blazing speed, mind-blowing video capabilities, and autofocus that almost seems psychic. That's exactly what the Nikon Z8 II is shaping up to be. If even half of the leaks are accurate, this could be the most disruptive mirrorless camera we've seen in years. This isn't just about megapixels or frame rates. This is about giving creators a tool that feels like an extension of their vision, letting you capture the impossible without compromise. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited about Nikon's next big release, and subscribe with notifications on. We're going to cover every detail from the sensor to the processor, autofocus system, video capabilities, burst performance, and even release expectations. By the end of this video, you'll know whether the Nikon Z8 II deserves a spot in your kit. Let's start with the heart of any camera, the sensor. The Z8 II is rumored to feature a brand new stacked full-frame sensor, which promises not just higher resolution, but better dynamic range, cleaner low-light performance, and faster readout speeds. If true, this means your images will retain extraordinary detail even in challenging lighting, and your workflow will benefit from faster data handling. Rumors also hint at a global shutter option, something almost unheard of in mirrorless cameras in this class. This could virtually eliminate rolling shutter issues when filming fast-moving subjects, from sports events to wildlife photography. Think about it, no more distorted lines when a car speeds past, or warped buildings when panning during architectural shoots. That kind of tech is usually reserved for high-end cinema cameras, yet Nikon could be putting it in a body that's surprisingly ergonomic and balanced, perfect for long shooting sessions. Next, let's talk processing power. Nikon may be equipping the Z8 II with the next-generation X8 engine, which will dramatically improve overall speed, noise handling, and color science. Burst rates could become astonishingly fast, and menu responsiveness could feel almost instantaneous. For those who live for action photography, think sports, wildlife, and event shooters, this is a game changer. You won't miss a critical moment because the camera can't keep up. And the autofocus system, this is where the Z8 II could truly shine. Rumors suggest an AI-powered autofocus system with advanced subject tracking and detection. Think eye detection for humans and animals, predictive tracking for birds and athletes, and extremely accurate focus even in chaotic scenes. Imagine photographing a BMX rider mid-flip, or a hawk diving for its prey, and your camera just never misses. This level of precision could put Nikon ahead of competitors, especially for professionals who rely on accuracy for their income. Now let's shift to video. Video creators are buzzing about the possible 8K video recording. Yes, true 8K. This could be paired with improved internal codecs, better heat management, and enhanced stabilization, allowing for longer takes without the fear of overheating. Higher bitrate options, refined N-Log, and N-RAW support could make the Z8 II a serious contender for hybrid shooters, those who want professional quality video and photos in the same package. Even if you don't plan to shoot 8K, the potential 4K at high frame rates and internal stabilization would make this camera ideal for vlogging, cinematic sequences, and content creation for social media platforms. Imagine walking through a bustling city, filming fast-paced action, and still getting buttery smooth footage without a gimbal. That's the kind of performance that makes creators fall in love with a camera. Sports and wildlife photographers will also appreciate the rumored 40 frames per second burst rate, fully blackout-free with EVF track. Combine that with expanded buffer sizes, and you can capture every decisive moment, from a soccer goal to a bird taking flight, without missing a single frame. Redundancy is also key for professionals, and dual CF Express card slots could finally provide the reliability that high-stakes photographers need. Now, let's talk ergonomics and usability. Nikon is known for making cameras that feel natural in the hands, and the Z8 II is expected to continue this tradition. Improved button layouts, responsive dials, and a refined EVF could make shooting for hours comfortable, while touch-sensitive rear screens might allow for faster focus adjustments and menu navigation. These might seem like small details, but when you're in the field all day, usability is everything. When will you actually be able to get your hands on one? Insider leaks now suggest a mid to late 2026 release, likely announced during a major trade show or photography event. This fits Nikon's typical schedule, giving creators time to plan for upgrades while letting the excitement build naturally. Pricing is still uncertain, but industry speculation suggests it will sit just below the flagship Z9, making it a slightly more accessible option for serious photographers and filmmakers who want flagship-level features without paying the absolute top-tier price. So why should you care? Because a camera like the Nikon Z8 II isn't just a tool, it's a creative engine. It's the kind of device that can elevate your work from impressive to iconic. Whether you're shooting weddings, commercial projects, wildlife documentaries, or cinematic landscapes, the performance, autofocus, and image quality could transform how you work. This camera might define the next era of professional mirrorless photography. Imagine planning a wildlife expedition or a sports shoot, knowing that your camera is capable of keeping up with every unpredictable movement. Picture editing your shots, confident that the detail, color, and dynamic range are exceptional straight from the sensor. The Z8 II could be the camera that allows creators to push boundaries without being limited by gear. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me what excites you most about the Nikon Z8 II. Is it the rumored autofocus system, the video capabilities, the burst speed, or something else entirely? Your opinion matters, and I'd love to know what feature you're most excited to test in the real world. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve with upcoming camera releases, leaks, and reviews, make sure to subscribe to TechVibe and turn on notifications. We cover every detail that matters for creators who want to be first to know about the next big thing in photography and filmmaking. Thanks for watching. As TechVibe always says, stay curious, stay creative, and never stop pushing the limits of what's possible with your gear. Whether you're a professional, an aspiring creator, or a hobbyist, the Nikon Z8 II could be the next tool that transforms your vision into reality. I'll see you in the next video.